Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another 3D printed mini. This week it is the female Proxy of a Vindicare Assassin for Warhammer 40k. She has been primed in Desert Sands and I start off with black for her Sin skin. If you have any questions or mini requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also ask on Facebook where there will be images of this mini. If you want a quick answer, you can ask me on Twitch where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next, I start on the first highlight of the skin with Dungeon Grey. This is for all of the large flat areas and some of the areas that are facing upwards along with these sharp edges. I then finished the skin with Uniform Grey to do the even finer highlight all over the Dungeon Grey in the same sort of areas. That will be it for the skin. Now it's time to do some of the belts and leather parts using Gory Red as the base colour. Next is the exposed skin with Elven Flesh. For the last of the base colours, I used gunmetal to do all of the metallic parts, even the ones that will be gold in the end. With the gunmetal dry, I grabbed greedy gold to add some variation to the metallic parts, such as some of the skulls and small details around the Mini. Onto highlighting the skin with Corpse Pale, making sure to leave that elven flesh in the recesses and any of the areas that are not facing towards sunlight. The next highlight is Bloody Red to go all over the Gory Red. To finish the highlight of red, I used Sun Yellow to do the edges of all of the leather parts, just to make it look that crisp edge. Now onto the washi, starting with a flesh wash for all of the skin and some of the leather parts as well, but I go over that again after. Next I use dark tone to do an all over wash except for the skin, blending that flesh wash in with the red parts. With the dark tone pretty much dry, I used ash grey on the base. This is giving that sort of dirty marble look that you would find in an old ruined temple. While I wait for the base to dry, I use Shining Silver to do the edge highlight on all of the gunmetal parts, just to give a bit of variation and show that crisp edge. base is still not dry, so I used gory red to touch up some of the leather parts where the wash stained it just that bit too much and I didn't want it that dark. To finish up the Mini, I thinned down some dark tone about 50-50 with water to cover the base, making sure to pick up any pooling areas on the base itself. The pillar can have some pooling on it since that will simulate more how water would flow down a broken pillar, but on the floor I didn't think it would look that great. And that will be it for the Assassin. She's definitely something different that will show up on the battlefield, but has made me want to try some more 3D printed Warhammer just to see what else is out there. If you want to see some pictures of this Mini up close, check out my Instagram or Facebook pages. There will also be a comparison photo with my 1996 Vindicare Assassin just to get a good size comparison. If you have any questions or Mini requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, but most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.